Good evening, just a quick short video from Barnabas Junction here, explaining a slight issue I've got with it. Now we've gone to DCC. It's with some points. All tracks are electrified properly, bus wire with droppers, but I've got an issue with some points with the frogs, with some of my locomotives, and I've found out what the issue is. I'm doing this to obviously help anybody else that's going to might have to come across the same issue. I've got here a set of loose wheels, and I'm going to use these as an example. This here is the issue. This little section here. I'll just show you first of all. I don't have any issues with points with frogs that look like that. Now these are Peco ones, I think. No, sorry, these are Hornby ones. It is the Peco points that I'm having problems with, as the Peco ones have a very, very tiny insulating area on the frogs. What happens is, and I'm going to try and best show you, is as the locomotives are coming across, they're coming across here fine. But what happens is, if the wheel width is just a little bit out, or the locomotive's got a bogie maybe that wobbles a bit, it's coming along and just catching the other rail there. As you can tell, I've just done that and it's just reset my DCC controller. You heard the horn on my TTS Sound 47, which is the one that I'm having most of the problems with. I am also having an issue with my Batman 37. So yeah, and I'll do it again. This shows exactly what happens. It's shorting the system across. You just saw a little flash there. See the little flash? That's what's happening. So I've got to find a way of now insulating that just there, and obviously on all the points at the same. I've got the same type of point just over there as well, and I've got it on the same issue on some of the other points. So it seems to be Peco points. Now I was a big fan of Peco. I don't want to be changing the points, so I've got to find now a way of isolating that frog section there, whether to put cut the fish plates maybe, or put insulating fish plates in and separate the track. I'm going to have an attempt though to just separate that gap a little bit, grind the rails down a bit on between them so there's a slightly bigger gap, and then maybe pour some glue or something in there to create a gap that will stop the wheels touching the two rails. I'll let you know how I get on. So until then, speak to you soon. Ta-ra.